Welcome back to our video course on the basics of personal finance, budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt. In this video, we will be discussing the process of creating and managing a budget. Creating a budget. Creating a budget is the foundation of personal finance. It involves tracking your income and expenses and making sure that your expenses do not exceed your income. This way you can ensure that you have enough money to cover your essentials and also have some money left over for savings and other goals. Steps to create a budget. Here are the steps to create a budget. 1. Track your income. Make a list of all the sources of income you have, such as salary, investments, and rental income. 2. Track your expenses. Make a list of all of your expenses, including both fixed and variable expenses. 3. Categorize your expenses. Group your expenses into categories such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. 4. Compare income and expenses. Compare your income to your expenses and make sure your expenses do not exceed your income. 5. Allocate your money. Allocate your money in a way that aligns with your financial goals. Managing a budget. Creating a budget is only the first step. It's also important to manage and maintain it in order to make sure that it is aligned with your current situation and financial goals. This means regularly reviewing and updating your budget to reflect any changes in your income, expenses, or financial goals. Tips for managing a budget. Make it a habit. Budgeting should be part of your regular routine. It's important to review it on a regular basis and make adjustments as needed. Be flexible. Life is unpredictable, and it's important to be prepared for unexpected changes in your income or expenses. Be honest. When creating a budget, it's important to be honest about how much you're actually spending. Use budgeting apps or software. There are various tools available to help you keep track of your budget and expenses. Conclusion. Creating and managing a budget is an important step in personal finance. By creating a budget, you will be able to take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. By managing a budget and being flexible, you will be able to adapt to changes in your income and expenses. Remember, budgeting is a continuous process. Review and adjust your budget regularly to make sure it's aligned with your current situation and financial goals. Thank you for watching this video on creating and managing a budget. In the next video, we will be discussing building an emergency fund.